me tomorrow. Yeah, it's really important.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I'm good. So this one is called The Final Start. And you guys have to decide, choose which one you think.
So he played
is my
two
favorite.
after each other, two B-Frontliner tracks.
Yeah, Mind Control, and now is The Final Start.
Yeah, and I have to play your least favorite and your favorite. He didn't say which one is which.
Exactly.
3 liquid fuel main engines beginning to throttle back in a 3-step fashion. 72% of rated performance, reducing the stress on the shuttle as it breaks through the sound barrier. Houston now controlling the flight of the International Research Mission, finally underway. Roger, roll. Now rolling on to the proper azimuth for a 39-degree inclination to orbit. Shuttle in a heads-down, wings level position for the 8.5-minute ride to orbit. 30 seconds into the flight, the 3 liquid fuel main engines beginning to throttle back in a 3-step fashion to 72% of rated performance, reducing the stress on the shuttle as it breaks through the sound barrier. The sound barrier.
So those were the two B-Frontliner tracks. Yeah, there's some.
What is that?
We are saying B-Frontliner, B-Frontliner.
B-Frontliner, B-Frontliner. That's spooky shit, man.
Yeah, that is spooky shit. So that was The Final Start, and before was Mind Control. So which one do you think is my favorite?
Let us know in the chat, guys.
Yeah.